When you have a box full of assorted veggies in the fridge and want to try out something different, fry them into stuffed parathas like this. I'm going to start with making the filling. Heat half a teaspoon of oil, not much. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the onions. Saute the onions. You don't need to cook them till they are brown. I'm going to add the grated cauliflower. I've kept the cauliflower raw because I like that tight bite in my filling. Finely chopped carrots and French beans. These are steamed. Also steamed green peas. Now I'm going to also add all the seasoning ingredients. Half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of raw mango powder, just a little bit of turmeric powder, salt. I'm also going to add potatoes, so make sure you add enough for the entire filling. Green chilies finely chopped, coriander leaves finely chopped. Mix it. Just mash the vegetables a little bit. Dry out the filling a bit. The filling is ready. Let's get it off the flame. Moving on, let's make the dough for the parathas. In a bowl, I'm going to take 1 cup of wheat flour, just a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix all of this properly first. And now, start adding the water little bit at a time. Just keep adding as much as you need. Get all the dry bits together. Knead it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. The dough is nice and soft. Keep it to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to wet my palm and just on the surface of the dough, dab it with a little bit of water. This will keep the dough moist for another 15 minutes, or else you can even cover it with a wet cloth. The filling is cooled down, and now I'm going to add 2 potatoes boiled and mashed. While mixing, mash it a little bit. The filling is nicely mixed. Keep this aside. And now I'm going to start making the parathas. And now I'm just going to knead it once again. Take a small portion of the dough, make a ball, roll it in some dry wheat flour, dust the board with a little bit of wheat flour, and now start rolling it. Make a thick roti. Take about a tablespoon and a half of the filling. Pick up the edges and bring it together. Remove the excess dough. Dust some more wheat flour and very lightly start rolling the paratha. It's okay if you see a little bit of the filling on the surface. It's a little difficult to roll this paratha since we have some finely chopped vegetables, but just be a little patient and with light hands, you'll be able to do it. The paratha is rolled and now time to roast. Onto a hot pan, place the paratha and let it cook for around 20 seconds. Very carefully, flip the paratha and apply a little bit of ghee. Flip it over and press lightly and let it cook. Let's check on the other side. This side is nicely cooked. Let's get this out. Mixed veg paratha is a good way to feed your kids all the veggies. Serve it with some chutney, ketchup or just plain curd. Try this at home, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.